So you're launching a franchise. Let's talk about the one thing that will define your success.
It's a super exciting time, right? But that to-do list can feel, well, a little overwhelming.
And that training playbook you need? Yeah, staring at a blank page is pretty stressful.
But trying to launch without a solid plan, that is a surefire recipe for chaos.
Think about it. Wasted time, inconsistent service, and your growth just stalls out completely. So what's the fix? Well, it's actually simpler than you might think.
It all boils down to process documentation. This is the foundation for your entire business.
You know, pretty much every single business problem comes down to one of these three things. And this is where having an expert guide can change everything for your launch. Jason Henderberg brings 30 years of hands-on experience. Trust me, he has seen it all.
And he's not just some consultant, he's a real partner who gets in there with you.
His philosophy is simple. Trust the process, and you can leave that stress behind.
Working with him is just the thing to really accelerate your entire franchise launch. So, are you ready to build that playbook and guarantee a successful launch?
It's simple. Partner with Jason. Head on over to henderberg.com to get started.